Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another OwenDaSavageGamer Randoms, where we do randoms, so let's get right into it. So today, it is going to be a 3D printing video, but I'm not showing you how to 3D print. No, it's a little bit different. I'm showing off some 3D print filament that I did buy off of Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and wait for them to arrive, and I'll go ahead and do a show off of them. We'll go ahead and unbox it, do some fun things from there, and after the unboxing, I will show you guys it off of Amazon. So let's be patient and wait for these filaments to come. Alright guys, we are in camera view now, and we have this package here where all of them came in. It did order them from Amazon. Very simple package, pretty big. It's about, I don't know, let's just say it's pretty big. But let's go open it. We got scissors here. Scissors. And now we're just going to go ahead and unbox it here. Now I am using one hand, so let's just open it up. Now, we did order 5 of them. I will show you guys the links on Amazon after the unboxing. But we got these puppets there, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. We got 3 Overture boxes, and then we got 2 other brand boxes that I will show you in a little bit. But let's go ahead and unbox this one here. So let's just go and scoot the box out of the side. Now here it is, the box. It's the Overture. So I'm kind of in love with the Overture filament. It's pretty good. A very simple box. So now let's go and get it open here. Do that. Turn it. And it is, all these filaments are PLA. Because it's just my favorite filament to use. So let's go to open it up here. It just comes with simple informational things, and it comes with an Overture thing so it can show you guys how, like, the different printing temperatures for each thing. Of course, it's in a different language, but here is the English one. Now, this would come with every single Overture box, because I did order the PETG one. So here's the printing in English. All these different stuff. Now, it comes in this very simple. Now, this is 1 kilogram. Here it is. It is see-through, so you can see, like, the different amounts you got there. PLA just shows the printing temperature and all that along the side. And we will open this one up later on and do a showcase of it. But for now, to save time, we're not going to get it out of the box. We're going to get it out of the little vacuumed case. So now we're going to go open up the next Overture one. Here you go. Now this is Silk PLA Gold, because I really like the gold colors. They're awesome. So we're just going to go ahead and unbox this one. It's probably going to be in the same form. There we go. We got the same deal there. And now here it is. Very nice. Same design. Look at that. Now, one difference we see in between, I think, the silk ones is just look at the top there. It's probably not picking up on camera, but actually it is a little bit. It's got a shine to it. This one is silky when it prints, all shiny and stuff. Maybe I'll print this and do it as another video. Maybe show off some of the prints I do with all these. That'll probably be in a later video. And see, very different thing. Same deal. Very simple. Same thing. Got the cardboard case. That's another one. Now, we got 3 more here. We've got another one. Same deal, same package. See, this one is PLA Red. This is the red color I ordered. Just go ahead and open it up. Flip it around. And now let's just scoot those over to the side. And now open it up. Again, same deal, not too crazy. And here is the red color. Let's go ahead and move this out. Here it is. Very simple. There you go. The camera has focus, so you guys can go and see what it is here. Pretty simple. You can see the mounts. Here we go. And it does it in, on this side, it does it in grams. This side, it does it in meters, because some printing websites or engines always have it in meters or grams. So you kind of see it in both ways. Here it is. It's just like a nice bright red color. Really nice for printing signs and little figurines. Pretty nice. Again, cardboard box. I think that's kind of what gives the price. I will show you guys the price and it on Amazon in just a second. And those are our 3 Overture boxes that we did order, or filaments. Now we come in with the brands that I found for these other ones. This brand is, I don't know how to say that. I think this is a brand that is not as famous as, of course, Hatchbox and Overture. I think this was a pretty good. It had some good reviews. I'll show that in a second. Let's go to open it. It comes in a white box, and there's no theme to it. I can just lift it up. And here it is. It comes in different packaging than Overture and most of like the well-known filaments. But it comes with some bubble wrap going all the way around it. I'll put this one, which throw out to the side. And it is also vacuum sealed. But this one is a jade green color. Now this one is also silky. It's very, very shiny. So here it is. Are you different? Because this is probably going to be printing around the same thing as here. But very, very different style container. It doesn't give the measurement how much. So maybe you have to kind of do like a little guessing. But it's pretty good. Nice plastic container. So it's not like a cheaply made. Feels pretty good. Of course, we will unlock into a showcase. And maybe we'll go ahead and look at them for like all the rounding it around the container. And a color showcase as soon as we get some close-ups after we do this. Wait, something I just noticed is it's in a bag. Look at this. It's a vacuum sealed, it's like one of those bigger bags. It is vacuum sealed, so I'm not too worried about it. Of course, it's to get ready for moisture, but this is a different packaging from these types. So we'll go ahead and move on. Very different. And this one is from the same brand. Here, again, same thing. You just do the bubble wrap. Throw that aside. It doesn't have any forms, just like Overture or Hatchbox or anything. Has the same bubble wrap. I'm going to get the bubble wrap off of it. So move that to the side. Now, here it is. This is silky blue, because I really love the shiny colors. Now I'm going to try out this brand. If this is a good brand, this will be my go-to for silky colors, because it's got all sorts of silky colors, like silky white, silky gray, just name it. But look at this. The same deal. Very nice color. You can kind of see that, but as soon as we get it out of the packaging, we will go ahead and showcase it, all the colors. So we went ahead and unboxed all these. Now we're going to go ahead and open up the Ziploc bag. I'll do that off camera, and I'll do a quick showcase of them. So see you guys then. Alright guys, this is the white one, and it's got a little stamp for it, but here it is all cleared out. Same thing that I showed you guys. Here is the color. It's a very white color. Very white. Let me just grab one of my other white filaments I have. Second. There we go. This is the Preline filament I showed you guys in an earlier video. But look at that. Look at this comparison. It's a very white color. So that's kind of what's pretty good. Very nice. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, this is the red one. Same deal. Very vibrant red. Look at that. This is not silky, but it looks kind of silky off of camera. Look at that. They really loaded this one up pretty well. I think Overture is very, like, they kind of go over a little bit the amount that it's said. Like, because you can tell, but it kind of like goes over the holes. But this is pretty good. Very nice color. This is my first red color, honestly. So we don't have anything to compare it to. But that means we got to move on to the next one. Alright, this is the silky gold one. Look at that. See, that's where the shine is. See how cool that is? Really cool. But here it is. Here's the true color of it. Look at that. It's really reflecting off the light. Look at that. You can tell. See the little light patterns going along here. And there's some. Pretty nice. Look at that. Very shiny. They did wrap it pretty well. It's just going through this hole here. Very nicely rounded around here. Very flat. You can tell something is not decently rounded up if it's not as flat as this. Because that's really nice. That's really good. Really reflecting against the night. Now this isn't my first gold one. Of course, I did get the Hatchbox one, which is right out here on my printer here. This is not silky, it's just the color of it. And then you see this one, very huge difference. Let me just hold this one up. This one, you can just tell by the difference. Very huge difference. So we got to move on to the next one. Alright guys, we got the green one now. Look at that. Just already, it is reflecting the light. That means this has got great shine on it. Look at that. Very shiny color. Very shiny. Look at that. Very nice. Here it is, just in the light here. This is my first actual green color. Of course, I do have this one for PetG, but it's clear. I have not used it yet, but this one's for PLA, and it's just, it's awesome. Just look at that. Look at that. That's very shiny. Let's see. Let me actually bring in the gold one over here. I just grabbed it, so we can compare shininess. Look at that. You can already tell which one is shiny. The green one is definitely way more shiny than the gold one, but still, you can really tell that they're both pretty shiny. So let's go and move on to the very final one, and that's the blue one. Alright, this is the final one. Here is the blue color. Still, it has great shine on it. The wounding is a little bit loose, but still, it's still great wounding. You can tell from that. Kind of loose here, but that's not too bad. Just kind of give it a little roll around. Pretty shiny. There's the design on it with the little squares on it. Scratchy case. Pretty good. Yeah, very nice. You guys did see the other silkies. They're pretty equal. They're really equal. This one's going to be fun to print with, especially with like little bitty figures about this size. With a bunch of detail, I feel like they're going to give us a lot of shine. Now this silky is just made by, what's it called? It's just made with a type of, like, resource. They add, like, glitter in it, plus the, like, little pellets, which is what they make. And it just makes it very, very shiny. And they also give it, the machine gives it a smooth to it, a shine to it, like a clear coat, which is also makes it shiny. So that's a little bit of science behind it. But let's go ahead and move on. Alright guys, we are in Amazon now. So we're starting off with the white one. Here's the Overture. Of course, you guys have already seen it here. Pretty decent pictures. Here's bubble free, clog free, tangle free, all of the free stuff. Here it is. Pretty simple things. It's got really good reviews, 17,000 reviews, 4.5 stars. Pretty good. And then here's the brand is the Overture. Materials polylactic acid. It's white, 2.2 pounds, and the diameter right here. Pretty simple. Here's about this item. You guys can go ahead and read that real quick if you guys want to. That's really it. Pretty simple. Pretty nice. I will leave these links in the description so you guys don't have to search it up yourself. So let's go and move on to the next one, which is the red one. Same deal here. It's just with different colors. Pretty decent. Here's like how it's vacuum sealed and packaged. Pretty simple. Same amount of reviews. Pretty simple. Here we go. Here are the same things. Here is about this item. It's probably about the same thing. And then usually they keep their prices pretty consistent, which is this one's actually not too really, but this one's $2 extra. That's not too much. Wait, let's see. Wait, that's actually three more dollars than what it is. It's not too bad. Of course, I think it's just because of the extra material they use, but you know, it's pretty good. That's what you're gonna get after these really good filament brands. So let's go and move on to the next one, which is the last Overture one of the day, which is gold. Yes, $25. They do not keep their brands consistent or their pricing consistent. Yeah, it is worth it though. Here's some of the colors. Same deal, same thing. Here we go. The title and about this item. There we go. And that's really it. Pretty easy. This one's pretty nice. Out of some other gold filaments and silk filaments, I think this one's probably going to be a really good go-to filament. And then we got this one, which is the brand not many people have heard of. It's got 8,000 reviews. Here's the blue one. Pretty nice. And look at all these colors they got. Look at that. It's just literally Beautiful, beautiful colors. Here's the brand. Oh, it's CC3D. That's what the brand is. Same thing. Same deal. This weighs a little bit less than the Overture. And here's about this item. Definitely different. Here we go. Right here. And that's pretty much it. Now let's move on to the last one. And that is the green one. My personal favorite. Got that J Dragon on it. Pretty nice. Same pictures. Pretty good. Here's the title, 8,000 reviews just as well. We'll round it up to 9,000. And here we go. And that's pretty much it for the filaments. So now we're going to go ahead and finish up here. That does it. If you liked it, leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below for any video ideas that you would like to see in one of my videos. And please, guys, do check out these brands. They're really good, Overture and CC3D. Thanks for watching. Peace out.